Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about the exponents. Okay, the new concept, unit 5, exponents. So it is exponent used in the very largest value. You have applied the exponent form. Okay, already you have learned in the science subject the surface area of the earth is equal to 5.1 into 10 power 8 kilometer square. Already you have learned. So it can written as a general form from, how can you write this one? 51 crore this is the original form of the surface area of the earth. Okay, so you have read this, you have read as 51 crore kilometer square, is it? How can you say the 51 crore? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 51 crore. Okay, so 51 crore kilometer square. So it's a very largest number. Okay, this kind of number we have written in the shortly. We have used the exponential form. Today we are going to learn about the exponents or powers. Exponent or powers. Exponent or powers. So very largest number or very smallest number we have using this kind of forms. Okay, so what is the definition of exponential form? Exponent means that indicate the how many times multiply the particular number. Okay, so what is the definition of exponent? A number multiplied by itself is called exponent. In general, if A is a rational number, A is a rational number and M is a positive integer. Already you know the rational number. Rational number is a form of P by Q. Okay, P and Q are the integers and M we have considered the positive integers. Okay, so M is a positive integer. Then A into A, how many times? M times. How many times we have multiplied? M times. It can return as A power M. Okay, here A is called base. A is called the base. M is called, okay, M is called exponent or power or index. So how can you read the m? Exponent or power or index. So multiplying the numbers is called the base. So here a is called the repeated number, repeated multiplying number. A is called the multiplicative, repeated multiplying number. M means how many times repeated that number. So M refers the how many times repeated the particular number. A means the repeated the multiplicative numbers. Okay, A represent the repeated the multiplicative numbers. Okay, so this kind of numbers are called the exponential form. This kind of formation is called the exponential form. Okay, so what is the definition of exponent? A number multiplied by itself is called the exponent. If a is a rational number and m is a positive integer, then a multiplied m times, then it can return as the exponential form as a power m. Okay, how can you read a raised to the power of m or a raised to the power m? How can you read a raised to the power m? It can read as a raised to the power of m. Okay, it can read as a raised to the power of m. Okay, so the definition of the exponent is a number multiplied by itself is called the exponent. In generally, if a is a rational number and m is a positive integer, and then we are multiplying the number in m times, it write in the exponential form as a power m. So the power of m, how can you read a power m or a raised to the power of m? Okay, or index. Index, m is called the exponent or power or index. Is called the a is called the base. Okay, so mostly we have read a raised to the power of m or a power m. Okay, a power m. Okay, now move to the examples. Repeated multiplication of a number. Okay, and exponential form. And then base and power or index or exponent. So repeated multiplication of number. For example, 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, how can you write in the exponential form? These are the base values, is it? So base value is 3. How many times repeated? 1, 2, 3. How can you read this? 3 raised to the power of 3. 3 raised to the power of 3. Otherwise 3 power 3. 3 power 3. And next, what is the base value here? 3 is the base. Okay, 3. And the power value also 3 here. Okay, and next one. Okay. How can you write in the exponential form? Exponential form, the base value is 5. Is it? The base value is 5. How many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How can you read this? 5 power 6 or 5 raised to the power of 6. So what is the base value here? 5 is the base value. What is the power value? 6. The power value is 6. Okay. So how can you write in the exponential form? The base value is x. How many times repeated? T times. What is the base value here? X. So power value is t. Okay. I hope you have understood the concept of exponential. Okay. Or power or index. Okay. And next one. What is the value of minus 1? Power minus 1 power 2. What we get? What is the meaning of minus 1 power 2? Minus 1 multiplicated itself twice a times. Is it? So minus 1 into minus 1, what we get? Plus 1, because minus into minus plus. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. And next one, we have considered any one of odd number. Okay, so odd number 5. Okay, so minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we have multiplied. So first two term multiply, what we get? Minus into minus plus. 1 ones are 1. Again multiply these two values, plus 1. Here minus 1. So 1 into 1, plus 1 into plus 1, 1 into minus 1. What we get? We get the negative value. From this concept, conclusion, so minus 1 power of even number. Even number. Okay, so any kind of even number, the base of, with the base of minus 1, we get the even number. Even number. Okay, that is 1. And next one, minus 1 power of odd number. Odd number, we get negative. So odd. So what is the value of minus 1 power? 45. So we get the answer is negative minus 1, because 45 is a odd number. Okay. And for example, another one, minus 1 power of 100. 100 is an even number. We get the value is 1. Okay. So base value is minus 1. The power is even. We get the 1. Okay. And base value of minus 1 with the power is odd number. We get the answer is minus 1. Okay. Now move to the book examples. Minus 7 the whole power 3. So what is the value? Minus 7 multiplicated by 3 times. What is the base value here? Minus 7 is a base value. What is the power value? 3. How can you read? Minus 7 raised to the power of 3. Minus 7 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so it can written as minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. So minus into minus plus 7 7s are 49. So plus 49 into minus 7 into minus 7. So what is the value? 9 7s are 63. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6 34. So 334. Here minus into plus or plus into minus. What we written? Minus. So multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. Two negative sign, positive and negative signs will come. Write in the negative. Okay. And next one. Minus 2 power 6. Listen, the power is odd number, is it? Here the power is odd number. We get the result also in the odd number. We get the result also in the odd number. Okay, here even number we have considered. Okay, so minus 2 power minus 6. It can written as 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2. You can written as the 6 times. Okay, now multiply minus into minus plus plus. Okay, so even numbers. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So value is positive. So the power is even. We get the answer also in even. Okay. The next one of the example. Write the base and exponent of the following. Okay. Write the base and exponent. The first one. What is that? Base value A. The base value is 5. The exponent or index. Exponent or index is 7. B. The base is 4. And power also power. Why do you write power here? So both are same meaning. Okay, exponent or power or index. So here write in different. So power is also 4. Okay, and next one of the example 2. Expressed into the power notation. So a general form is given. Here expanded form is given. Okay, expanded form is given. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 is given. So write in the exponential form. How can you write the exponential form? What is the base value here? 2 by 3. Already you know the general form of the exponential. A, we have considered the rational number. Here given the rational number. 2 by 3 is a rational number. Okay, so the base value is 2 by 3. How many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 2 by 3 the whole power 4. This is a exponential form. And next one of the question, minus 64 by 125. Minus 64 by 125. How can you write minus 64? Can be written as 3 times of 4. Now only we have calculated, is it? And 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So it can written minus 4 by 5 into minus 4 by 5 into minus 4 by 5. Now we have to write in the exponential form. So exponential form is minus, base value is minus 4 by 5. How many times repeated? 3 times. Okay, and C problem 1 by 1000. So 1 by 1000 can be written as 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. So our exponential 4 is 1 by 10 the whole power of 3. 1 by 10 the whole power of 3. And see the example 3. Find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. The first one, 3 by 4 the power of 3, and B, minus 2 by 5 the power of 5. Okay, see first one exam solution. 3 by 4 the whole power 3. So what is the meaning? The base value 3 by 4 can be written as 3 times. Okay, so 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Now multiply the numerators, because here multiplication of fraction is given. Okay, product of their numerator by product of their denominator. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Denominator 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. That's it. Now find out the next one. Here B value. What is that? Minus 2. It can written as minus 2 by 5. The whole power of 5 is equal to minus 2 by 5 into 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 minus 2 by 5. 5 times repeat the rational number minus 2 by 5. Now multiply the numerators. Okay, so first to multiply these two values, next these values. So minus into minus plus 4, 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25 into 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus divided by 25 into minus 2 by 5. Now multiply the numerator. First these two numerator. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. And next 25 25s are 625. 625 into minus 2 by 5. So minus into plus minus. So 16 2s are 32. Now multiply 625 by 5. 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 10, 12, 6, 30, 30 plus 1, 31. So denominator value is 3125. So answer is minus 32 by 3125. 3125. Okay, I hope you are understood the concept of exponent. So what is the definition of exponent? Is a number multiplied itself is called the exponent. It is a form of a power m. It can return as a power m. A power m. It can read as a raised to the power of m. A raised to the power of m. And the a is called the base, m is called the exponent, power or index. Exponent or power or index. Okay, I hope you are understood the today concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Thank you, students.